What's going on, YouTube? And welcome to the first motor vlog of 2020. I hope everyone had a good New Year's. But right now, I'm on my way to get some food. I'm about hungry in the mud. Going to Burger King. Haven't had that in a minute, so. And man, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This GoPro, it been giving me the worst trouble since I didn't brought it. I don't know what it is or what's going on with it, but it's been giving me the worst troubles. Or if I would already had a video out already. But it's all good. Hopefully it's fixed now. Hopefully this video comes out pretty decent. Hopefully. I don't even know, because the freaking it be tripping. But I think I might be beating up with Race to Ace today. He wanted to hit he wants to hit Mount Charleston or Red Rock. I don't even care. Might meet up with him, see if we can do a collab video. Hopefully. But yeah, man, Martin Luther King Day passed, man. I ain't even do nothing for Martin Luther King Day. I'm so freaking, man. She got a whole gun on her hip. She had a gun on her hip, bruh. Okay. But yeah, I didn't do nothing for MLK. Hope everyone else did. I didn't. And all the other holidays, I had to freaking work. So, I mean, it is what it is. I really don't care. I'm too old for this. Or not too old for this, but too old for some of those. I mean, I still celebrate Christmas with my family and stuff. But, you know, that's alright. That's cool. But, hey, man, this year we about to start this off right. Yeah, I moved out my mom's. I'm no longer staying with her no more. So, yeah, me and my girl stay together. And, yeah, so far we're doing pretty good. But I am going to try to get more videos out there. Go. Wow. Fucking Mitch. But yeah, but with that being said, I'm gonna try to get more videos out there. I need to get back on it, man. So I do need to do. Need to get them more videos. Woo! Get that little wheelie going. Small little willy wheat. Oh, dude, I just saw it. That was Metro, I think. Oh well, he understands. But yeah, man. Ow, my balls. But yeah, I need to get these videos popping, man. Get them out. Alright, where's this place at? Where's it at? That's El Polo Loco. Where the hell is this Burger King at, man? Huh. I don't know where this Burger King is at. It said it was 8 minutes away, but bruh, I feel like I'm doing the whole trip. What the fuck? It should be on the left. Oh, it's probably at the next light. I don't know. About to find out though. Smell like alcohol over there. Alright, but what was I saying? Oh. Sorry y'all, I'm listening to GPS. It said make a U-turn. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, getting the videos out here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get them out, man. Get them out. 2020, man, we're gonna have a fresh start. What the hell are you doing? We're gonna have a fresh start to this 2020 year, man. First motor vlog of 2020. We're gonna try to produce more videos and do our thing. Okay, I'm running this. I waited too long. Yes, indeed. We're going through the drive-thru.
You should bring me. Trying to get one moment, please.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's see, you guys. What should I order? What should I order? Should we do the 2 for $6? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
Come here, help you, please.
Can I do the 2 for $6?
Which two sandwiches?
Can I have 2 Whoppers?
2 Whoppers, okay.
And large fry. My mic was at the bottom. Hold that, picked up everything. Oh, just push it. Just push it. That's all you gotta do, man. Just push it. You ain't gotta do nothing else. Alright, let's get this food, y'all. Hold with me for a brief second. Oh, yeah. You guys see that? Oh, yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You alright, babe?
You too. Alright, you guys know the cons of just having a motorcycle? Bruh, this right here. Having to travel without traveling. Should I just wrap it around my wrist? Yeah, whatever. It is what it is. We're just gonna wrap it around the wrist. Make sure no one's behind me. Alright. Oh shit, the receipt. Oh, just put it in my pocket. I'm over here talking to myself, dude. They probably like, dude, this fool idiot. But it's okay. I am whatever you say I am. This is the way I am. Alright, you guys, let's get out of here. Got that food, man. Got that food. Time to go back to the house. Probably hop on the game or something. I don't know. Just trying to see what race the Ace wants to do. But man, we haven't got no word back. Haven't got no word back. Woo! It feels so good to be back on my bike. Oh, and for you guys that don't know, yeah, these fairings is about to get switched out. Most of you guys don't know, but look at my right side, man. It's falling apart. Look like someone did it on them. It's all loose. Like you even see the headlight jiggling right there, twerking. But yeah, I'm about to switch them out. I don't know if I want to stay with the matte gray or go with some red ones yet. But most likely I'll probably stay with the matte gray, because you know I like the matte gray look. Matte gray is my shit. But yeah, hopefully I should have them by next week. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully because, bruh, these people don't know how to freaking, like, bruh, they don't know how to send shit and make it be here when it's supposed to be here. Oh, whoopsies. Whoopsie daisies. Whoopsie daisies. Oh well. YOLO. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. If you did it, damn bro. If you did it, oh well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next one.